Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Dudu Mendez Tips, the home of powerful WhatsApp bots, crazy tech tutorials, and smart tools that level up your experience. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, drop a like on this video, and comment down below. Because today's tutorial is going to be fire. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to deploy the powerful OCHOXCRASHER. And trust me, this bot is absolutely amazing. We're talking about advanced WhatsApp bug attack features, invisible commands, iOS bug commands. This bot is powerful, fast, and beginner-friendly. So don't skip any part of this video. Follow me carefully step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, your bot will be fully deployed and ready to use. Now, the first thing you need to do is open the bot link. I've placed the link in the video description below. Go down there, click the link, and let's get started.
Mendez, V5, yeah, we run this game. They try to keep up, but they ain't the same. Why they talking tough? They not like us. Mendez, V5, yeah, that's my plug. Boom! Crash your rap, now your chat life's done. Live stream scores, man, I do this for fun. Check the fixtures, live updates in a blink. EPL, La Liga, make them sink. Serie A, League One, who want the heat? Mendez got the power, better watch your seat. I drop a command, your phone freeze up. You was talking tough, now you out of luck. Bots on my side, yeah, they stacking up. Try to copy me, boy, that ain't enough. They be capping on the net, they not like us. They don't crash the chat, they not like us. No way. They don't get the scores, they not like us. Mendez, V5, yeah, we too robust. Why they talking tough, They not like us. Mendez, V5, yeah, that's my plug. Crash your app, now your chat life's done. Live stream scores, man, I do this for fun. They be claiming they elite, I just laugh. They got scripts, but they weak, do the math. They ain't got no bot that control the scene. I drop one line, now they out of reach. Group chats break, servers shake, yeah, they folding. Mendez run the world, boy, it's golden. Plugged in deep, API stay open. One more move, now the system frozen. Hey, 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 hey. Mendez, V5, yeah, we run this game. Hey, hey. They try to keep up, but they ain't the same. Yeah. Some people leave for a season. Some leave for a lifetime. But the memories never leave. Another night staring at the ceiling again, thinking about the days when we were laughing as friends. Looking at old pictures, trying not to break. Every single memory feels too real to fake. Life keeps moving, but my heart still waits. Got 1,000 conversations sitting at the gate. So much happened since the last time we spoke. So many dreams, so many promises, so much hope. Sometimes I wonder if you think of me too. If you remember all the things that we used to do. Would you recognize my face if we crossed paths today? Or would the years between us slowly wash it away? I got stories I've been saving, words I never said, moments I replay every night inside my head. And if I had one chance, one day, one view, I'd spend every second just catching up with you.
Time goes by but the feeling stays. The memories shine through the darkest days. No matter how far, no matter how long, a part of you still lives inside my songs. I miss you more than these words could ever say. I wish that you were here today. I miss you so much. I wanna tell you now. If you could hear me somehow, I miss you through every smile and every tear. places where we used to stand, talking to the memories like you'd understand. Sometimes life feels heavy, sometimes it feels cold, especially when the people that we love grow old. There were days I should've called, days I should've tried, days I let my pride become a wall inside. For every wrong decision, every time I disappeared, I'm sorry for the pain and every unseen tear. Wish I could show you all the things I've become, the battles that I fought, the victories I've won. Wish I could tell you all the lessons that I learned, and how your voice still guides me at every turn. You may be far away, maybe oceans apart, but distance never had the power to break a heart, because the love remains when everything else moves, and every step I take still somehow leads to you. Time goes by but the feeling stays, the memories shine through the darkest days. No matter how far, no matter how long, a part of you still lives inside my songs. I miss you more than these words could ever say. I wish that you were here today. I miss you so much, I wanna tell you now. If you could hear me somehow, I miss you through every smile and every tear. No matter where you are, you're here. I miss you. And if tomorrow brings us through, I'll still be waiting here for you. If we meet again someday, I'll tell you everything. Every road I took, every lesson life would bring. All the dreams we never got to chase, all the years that couldn't erase or buy. No goodbye can take away the love, and the memories live on above. I miss you. Every memory that keeps you near through every passing year. I miss you. Though the world may change its view, my heart still carries you. I miss you. This song is for the ones we love, the ones we're thinking of. I miss you. Until the day our paths come through, I'll always, always miss you. For every time, every funds, every moments, every jokes, every love, I still miss them.
And boom! Just like that. Your OCHOXCRASHER is now successfully deployed, easy, fast, and powerful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you destroy that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me how your deployment went. And if you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Do Mendez Tips right now, because more crazy bot tutorials, more powerful tools, and more tech content are coming very soon. And before you leave, don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel. That's where I post new bot updates, exclusive links, important announcements, and early access content before everyone else. The link to join is in the description below. Join the family, stay updated, and stay ahead of everyone. This is Do Mendez Tips, where tech becomes power. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay smart, stay active,